What's going on, guys? Matt Frost over at Tim Lally Chevrolet. I just want to show you what's fresh off the truck. The all-new 2021 Chevy Tahoe. That thing's amazing looking. Got an all-new front end, freshly redesigned. As you can tell, it kind of looks like the all-new Silverado as well. Freshly front redesigned. You have your daytime running lights and a nice hook there. Some aerodynamic airflow. Follow around, Jeff. On the ground here, we have a side assist step in black. Passive entry, it's an LT package, and let me tell you, it's loaded up for an LT. Follow me around. So in the back here, you do have a kick release gate. For an LT, that's pretty impressive. So down below, a Chevy badge will appear here. Let me start this up. And you do have remote start, so you'll double tap the key here twice, and then down below should appear, you have a Chevy bow tie. Now this isn't an LT package. Keep in mind, this is under $60,000. You have a power release gate as well, so you can click of a button, you can close this here. In the rear, you do have two bench style seats, 60/40 folding on both options. Come around this side. In the back seat, it is leather interior. You do have all the options as well. So you have a Bose sound system, which is going to be enhanced audio. You have a nice wood grain finish here and a sleek aluminum bezel around the door trim. I'm going to hop in the front seat here. So I'm going to turn the vehicle on to show you what this thing has to offer. Safety feature was a big thing with this vehicle. You have a forward crash collision, and with that you're going to get an emergency braking. So when you're coming a little close to traffic, may have looked down at the phone or down at the screen, the vehicle will actually emergency brake for you. Really nice feature. As you'll know, the shifter is now gone and it's a push button select. You're greeted with a beautiful 10.2-inch display. Let's go ahead and show you guys this here. So you have a climate control system. Tap home, it'll bring you to your beautiful infotainment system. You have a trailering package in this vehicle as well. Swipe over, check out this camera view. Nice and clear there. Trailer view as well. Bring you back home. Super clean vehicle, guys, and it's fresh to the market. Let's go ahead and give us one more overview of the outside here. So guys, if you want to be one of the first on the road with the all-new 2021 Chevy Tahoe, come on into Tim Lally Chevrolet, 24999 Miles Road. We're located in Warrensville Heights, Ohio. Come on in and test drive this, guys. Give me a call at 216-571-7173 to put on the list to give us a test drive.